Okay, so this is from a laptop. The laptop is plugged in, and here we have a wattmeter. It looks like this. Okay, and since the laptop has its own battery, I can unplug it, plug in this one, and then plug in the laptop's cable. So here we have the voltage, 233 volts at 50 Hertz are inside these sockets. Let's use the function button. 0.2 amps are being consumed. 0.5 is the power factor. Watts low, it's 28. Watts high, 66. Cost per kilowatt hour. So currently the laptop is consuming 28 watts of power, 29. It consumes 0011 kilowatt hours since it's plugged in, and now we're back at the voltage. So here we have 233 volts. Okay, let's unplug it. This will lose power in a few moments. And plug in the laptop. That's it, it disappeared.